The biggest change we've made to D2L starting this summer was the implementation of Creator Plus. And Creator Plus provides more ways to put in content for your students, a way to add practices, and a way to add lecture capture or screen capture into D2L directly. So to add Creator Plus items, you go here to Create New, and you go HTML document, and then right here is a plus symbol. That's the Creator Plus items are on this list. And you'll notice now we have Insert Element and Insert Practice. So if we click Insert Element, we get a list of various items we can insert. In this update, I will show you what some examples of those things look like. And then we will have tutorials available on how to create each of those items. You'll notice on the list we have accordion, and this is an example of what an accordion element would look like. And this is an example of what the tabs element would look like. And this is an example of what a click and reveal element would look like. And this is an example of what a callout element would look like. And this is an example of what a timeline element would look like. And this is an example of what a stylized quote would look like. And this is an example of what a flip card element would look like. And this is an example of what a carousel element would look like. And this is an example of what a hotspot element would look like. If we select Insert Practice, we also get a list. And this is what a drop-down fill-in-the-blanks practice item would look like. And this is what a fill-in-the-blanks practice item would look like. And this is what a multi-select practice item would look like. And this is what a multiple choice practice item would look like. And this is what a sequencing practice item would look like. And this is what a sorting practice item would look like. And this is what a true or false practice item would look like. Now these are just some examples. Within the D2L users group, we'll have information on how to create these, some other examples of ones that have been created, and that'll expand as more and more people are using it. So the last major part of Creator Plus is the ability to do screen capturing and lecture capturing within D2L. Now you access that differently. You go up here to the little gear icon on the upper right, and you go down to Media Library. And this is going to be all of your media items that you've recorded that would be listed here. To create a new item, you would go here to Create Recording. Now, depending on your computer, you may be prompted to allow access to cameras and microphones. I'm going to go ahead and click Allow. So once you go in, it's going to show the webcam. You have the option to turn off the webcam, turn it on, to actually share your screen. When you share your screen, you have the ability to pick between different tabs you have open or different windows. And then if you're doing screen capture, you can choose to include the webcam down in the corner or to not have it down in the corner. Then you go ahead and record. I'm doing screen captures here because when I engage a record, it kicks me out of Camtasia, so I can't record the process. So when you're done, you just save it. You do have the ability to do some editing later to edit out material. And then to insert it into a course, if we go back to content here and then this course, go to Unit 2, we would add it in by going to Add Existing, and then go to More, go to Media Library, and there's the item right there. I'm going to go ahead and select it, click Next. I can give it a name, and click Insert. And that item will now show up here on the right-hand side. And it is right there, and the video will then play. So more information on how to do the recordings and some of your options will be available in the D2L users group.